Most people focus on how many push-ups they can do, but they forget about the quality. 50 bad push-ups won't help you. If you want real progress, you need a good form. Let me show you 3 push-ups mistake you need to avoid. Mistake number 1. Don't drop or lift your hips. A lot of people do push-ups with their hips sagging or sticking up. This breaks the form and reduces the effects. And to do it right, you need to tilt your hips and push yourself forward, not just up. You can also switch it up different types. Diamond push-ups, white push-ups, archer push-ups, the list goes on. And also your hands should be in line with your shoulders to keep your form correct and safe. Mistake number 2, shoulders overextend past wrist. Your shoulders and arms should stack directly above your wrist, not away in front that puts pressures on the joints. Mistake number 3, no half reps. Go all the way down. Half push-ups don't count. Go full range, chest close to the ground, then push all the way up. Keeping your shoulders in the right position is key to avoiding injuries. Hope you liked the video. Share it with your friends so we can help more people train the right way.